Start. Defense evidence, appreciation, preponderance or probabilities held. Full stop. We are unable to hold that the defense put forward by the accused has been reasonably proved or even raise a doubt in the case of the prosecution on the basis of preponderance of probabilities which could be accepted by a reasonable or prudent analysis. Full stop. Delay in FIR occurrence happened at 1 p.m. on 5/11/1992. Injured taken to the hospital. Breathed his last. Full stop. On receipt of Rukka investigating officer recorded the statement at 3 p.m. Full stop. Formal FIR recorded at 3:15 p.m. Full stop. Special report reached Ilaka Magistrate at 6:45 p.m. on the same day. Full stop. Held there is no delay in recording the FIR or in delivering the special report. Next stanza. Special report was entrusted to Constable Jagjit Singh at 10:35 p.m. Full stop. Residence of the Ilaka Magistrate was found locked. Full stop. He delivered the same at 8 a.m. next morning. Full stop. There is no cross-examination on this point. Full stop. In point of view these facts, we find that delay in any delivering the special report has been fully examined. Full stop. Next stanza. Detention order. Delay in execution of order. Full stop. Delay in execution of the order has been caused due to the detainee's deliberate attempt to make himself scarce. Full stop. Mere such delay in execution of the detention order would not affect its legality or validity, nor it would snap, leave and approximate link between the date of the order of detention and the execution thereof. Full stop. Next stanza. Detention order. Delay in passing detention order found to be totally unsatisfactory. Full stop. Sponsoring authority not caring to move for almost 4.5 months. Full stop. Total inaction and lethargy order found to be punitive rather than preventive. Full stop. Order quashed. Full stop. Anil Kumar versus State of Punjab and others 1997 within bracket 2 RCC 64. Full stop. Next stanza. Detention order. Delay in serving in Cofe Posa. There is a provision under section 7 for taking action against a person absconding or concealing himself so that the order cannot be executed against him. Full stop. Not shown in this case, nor it is a case of anybody that steps as contemplated under section 7 of the Cofe Posa were taken. Full stop. Detention order quashed. Full stop. Next stanza. Detention order quashing of documents seized from the petitioner prima facie disclosed dealings by the petitioner in illegal sale and purchase of foreign currency to the tune of rupees 90 crores during the past 2 years. Full stop. In view of the magnitude of the operation, it was quite natural for the department to collect materials before making a proposal for the preventive detention of the petitioner. Cannot be said that there was any delay, much less an inordinate delay. Full stop. On the part of the detaining authority in passing the impugned detention order. Full stop. Next stanza. Discharge if accused petitioner against no opportunity given to complainant. Full stop. Principles of natural justice violated. Full stop. Order set aside against the accused. Full stop and over.